Hi everybody, I'm here today to read you a book about eating fractions. And the cool thing about this book is a lot of these things you can do at home. So here I've got a whole banana and someone is cutting it in half. Two parts that are the same size are called halves. You can take one whole and divide it into two parts. And they show that right down here on the half. It shows a 1 and then a slash and then a 2. And that means that there's two parts to make that whole. Ooh, here's a whole muffin. I like muffins. You guys like muffins? And they are going to split that muffin apart into thirds. So I wonder who they're going to share that other part with. Maybe Mom. Now they've got some corn and they've got a hole. See, they just put the number 1 to show that it is a hole. But sometimes your corn is too big and you have to break it in half to fit it in the pot. And sometimes you have to break it in half because you want to share it with someone. So they broke that one piece into 2 equal parts. And now they are each eating half of the corn. Ooh, now they have some cheese. That looks like pretty fancy cheese. And they have a hole, and they are going to divide it in 3 equal parts into thirds. And here they have a strawberry pie. Oh, I really like strawberry pie. And they are cutting it into fourths. 4 equal pieces. See how it has the 1 and the dash and the 4? It takes 4 pieces to make that whole strawberry pie. So here I'm going to show you with my cool fraction tiles. I have one whole circle, but I can cut it in 2 equal parts. So it is 1/2. So I kind of showed it broken apart for you so you can see that they are the same size and they fit together to make the one circle. Here we broke the circle into 3 parts. These are thirds, 1/3. It takes 3 equal parts to make that one circle. Thirds are a little bit harder to cut, but these fourths are pretty easy to cut. You cut straight down one way and then straight across. Kind of makes a plus. You see that? Some people can cut their little pizzas. If you get a pizza from Pizza Hut for Book It, they usually cut it in 4 pieces. If you get a big pizza, they cut it in more pieces. Boys and girls, if I was making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I could cut it in fourths, or a bologna sandwich. So next time you have a sandwich, I want you to see if you can cut it in half first to make 2 equal parts, and then cut it in half again to make 4 equal parts. You don't have to share it, but I just want to see if you can do it. Okay, now I'm going to show you some other cards, and these are some big ones. This is a cookie, and these are little pieces called eighths. It means that they are 8 equal pieces. Would you want to share a cookie with 7 other people? You wouldn't get much unless it was one of those really big cookies. But boys and girls, this shows 8 pieces. I put on 4 of them so you can see how it covers half of the cookie. 4/8 is the same as 1/2. Here I have a donut, and these are called sixths. It takes 6 of these pieces to cover the entire donut. Would you want to share a donut with 5 other people? You'd only get like 1 bite, maybe if it was a really big donut. But I challenge you to take a picture of your food and show us how you can find fractions in your home. So you can send pictures to our Facebook page or you can email them to your teacher. I hope you guys are doing some fun activities this week and enjoying the weather. Bye.